All right, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to be looking at the proper function. The Microsoft proper function is a text function. And then, of course, it capitalizes the first letter of each word in a text string. The syntax is just putting the equals proper, then the text. And then, of course, you have the text converted into a proper word, proper function using the first letter to become a capital letter. Now, the key features here is that it converts the first letter of each word to uppercase, converts other letters to lowercase, and is, of course, useful for names and titles. All right, now let's look at an example here. The proper function is very simple. It's not something that is that will take us through a complex route. And just like what we have, so we have values in uppercase, we have values in lowercase. So the proper case is to make it look like this. So we're going to remove this, and then so let's bring this down. Let's bring this down. So let's say equals proper. And then you pick your text, then you hit the enter key. So you see what the results you have. Okay. And then you have the second one equals proper. Maybe that's what you wanted to do. Select the text, and then you see that the first letter of the text is in uppercase. So the proper case will work on capital letter, values that are in uppercase. Can you see? And then even if they are in lowercase, it will still do the same. So let me select this, and the proper function does not select multiple. It's not for multiple cells. It's just a single text, and then you can copy to affect every order. Okay. So as you can see, so you have the proper for even values that are in lowercase. So the first character will be in uppercase, others will be in lowercase. So that is the work of the proper function. All right. So see you in the next session, and bye for now.